If you're seeing the Dashcam unavailable, check USB drive warning in your Tesla, you're not alone. This is one of the most common technical issues Tesla owners face. This error message appears on your Tesla's center screen when the Dashcam or Sentry Mode features can't access your USB drive properly. This issue has become more common with Tesla's recent software updates, particularly versions 2024.20 and later, which have implemented stricter USB drive requirements. Tesla's Dashcam system has specific technical requirements. It needs continuous video recording from multiple cameras, which demands high-performance storage. Understanding file systems is crucial. Tesla supports FAT32 for smaller drives and exFAT for larger ones. Each has different capabilities and limitations. USB version also matters significantly. Tesla requires USB 3.0 or higher for optimal performance. Older USB 2.0 drives often can't keep up with the data writing demands. Now let's examine the 4 primary causes of this error. Understanding these will help you identify and prevent the issue. Many Tesla owners use USB hubs to expand their port options. While this can work, it's important to ensure the hub doesn't introduce additional compatibility issues. Understanding these fundamentals is the first step to resolving the Dashcam error. Proper formatting, compatible hardware, and meeting Tesla's technical requirements are essential for reliable Dashcam operation. The first step in fixing Tesla Dashcam USB drive errors is proper drive inspection and reformatting. This addresses the majority of compatibility issues. For drives 32 gigabytes or smaller, format to FAT32. For larger drives, use exFAT format. This ensures Tesla's system can properly read and write to your storage device. Next, ensure your USB drive has the correct Tesla Cam folder structure. Tesla requires specific folders for different types of recordings. Check your Tesla's USB port for physical damage or debris. Even small amounts of dust can cause connection issues and trigger the Dashcam unavailable error. For software-related issues, try rebooting your Tesla by holding both steering wheel scroll buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds. This clears the system cache and often resolves temporary glitches. For long-term reliability, invest in high-endurance USB drives or portable SSDs. These are designed for continuous writing and last significantly longer than consumer-grade drives. Tesla service data shows that 68% of Dashcam issues are USB drive-related. Consumer-grade drives typically last only 14 months, while high-endurance drives can last 3 to 4 times longer.